Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the backup location and signing into the same account on the new phone. Once signed in, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug in power. Large restores fail on low battery. Make sure you granted storage and restore permissions so the system can access files. If your backup is local, enable USB transfer or connect the drive now. This ensures the device can detect the backup and begin fetching your data without interruptions. Once done with initial setup, open the Backup Restore option in Setup or the Backup app and pick the precise backup snapshot you need. Choose items to restore, start with accounts and messages, then apps and media, because order reduces conflicts. The phone will download apps and data. Let it finish in the background while keeping Wi-Fi and power enabled. If prompted, enter passwords for accounts so services reconnect. This staged approach minimizes missing data and speeds recovery. To finish, confirm core data like contacts, messages, photos, and app logins are present and functioning. Reauthorize accounts where needed. If something's missing, reboot the phone and attempt a targeted restore or manual import from the original backup source. Local transfer or cloud web portal often works. Make sure app permissions are enabled and clear app cache for any app showing stale data. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and sign back into the account. Then retry the restore while on stable Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.